Hey everybody, this is Lisa from Pressure Coast, and today it's just going to be a quick video on cooking bacon in the Ninja Foodi. Okay, so what you see is I'm putting bacon directly into the Tender Crisp basket. I've got like 3 pieces in there. It really doesn't matter how you put it in there. They can be touching. I curl them up, and I try to put at least 6 in there if I can. I'm just doing this video quickly because I'm using this bacon for another recipe. Let's see. That should be about it. Let me go wash my hands. Okay, so what we're just going to do, we already closed the lid, so make sure the Tender Crisp lid is closed. I'm going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to hit Air Crisp. We're going to bring it down to 360, and we're going to set the time for... We'll go 12 minutes, but it can be anywhere from like 10 to 14 minutes, and we're just going to hit start. Okay, it's been about 10 minutes, but we're going to check it. So we're going to open the lid, and look at that. This is perfect. It's perfect for what I'm looking for the recipe I'm going to be using. So I'm just going to take this out and put it on a paper towel on a plate, and then we'll do a taste test on it. Okay, let's just do a quick taste test on this bacon. You can only have a little bit because it's for another recipe. Very good. It's bacon. It might seem like a ridiculously quick video, but you can cook bacon in the Ninja Foodi. Perfect. It's quick. No mess on the stove. So once again, just a quick video. Okay, so please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for some more videos, especially the one where the bacon's going on it.